And thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tallman with an update on the weather situation. There's nothing really severe going on. I'm sorry that the camera is moving around. I'll have to edit and fix all of that, so I apologize. Anyway, we are going to talk about the severe weather outlook for tonight. We are watching that very, very closely. I'll show you up on the radar what's going on. We're not under a severe weather watch, tornado watch, or severe thunderstorm watch, so all is good for now, but this is closely being monitored. So we have a marginal risk of severe weather. That means isolated severe. So we might even have a few or maybe one or two isolated severe storms in southeast Michigan. I'll let you know if that changes. The primary threat will be the possibility of large hail up to 1 inch in diameter hail. An isolated tornado can't be ruled out. Locally heavy rainfall and strong winds will also be a possibility with any of these storms that do break out in southeast Michigan. Like I said, this is being closely monitored, and I'll let you know if there's any immediate changes to this. So far, so good. This severe weather, strong to severe storms are supposed to come into southeast Michigan between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. in the morning, so we'll kind of keep an eye on that, and I'll let you know if there's any changes once again. So this is going to be for all of southeast Michigan, a low chance of tornado, generally south of I-94. So there's actually a low chance for any tornadic activity south of I-94. But the tornado threat is going to be very isolated. We'll kind of check that out and see what chances we've got of that. But right now, we don't really have that potential for tornadoes. But even so, when we get severe weather and it's a marginal risk category number 1, I always say that a tornado cannot be ruled out. We'll keep an eye on that, and we'll let you know. But when I show you on the radar what the setup is, you're going to be amazed on what you see. I'll have the radar and that coming up. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more in just a few minutes. We'll be right back. I'm sorry, I'm trying to find the button and I'm visually impaired, so it's very difficult for me to find the button. I'm really sorry about that. I'm going to see if I can find it one more time. I'm doing the best of my ability. Hold on, please. I think it's right there. And thank you so much for joining us once again. I'm Eric Tallman with you. As you can see, where you see that tornado watch right there, mainly that is where most of the development of the severe weather is going to be a very dangerous situation. So where you see it up in this tornado watch, I'm going to go ahead and bring up closer and show you where that tornado watch is at. Where you see that tornado watch, that's where the dangerous situation is going to be shaping up. And you can see that there are a big line of strong and severe thunderstorms. I'm watching that very closely, and I'll let you know exactly what's been going on with that. But like I said before, if we do get any severe weather, it's going to be an isolated chance of any severe weather. It's not going to be a big impact, but the information that I had told you in the very beginning of this cast, I kind of indicated of what to expect. We're not under any watches or anything, so far so good. I will let you know if there's any additional changes, so kind of stay tuned for that. That is the very most up-to-date information that I have right now on the weather situation, but where you can see the tornado watch right there in red, the red box right there is the tornado watch where you can see it right there. That's where the dangerous weather is going to be occurring over there. But like I said before, I'm keeping a very close eye on that, and I'll have more up-to-date information as we go along. So the storm development will continue. Stay tuned for more up-to-date information and weather information on this storm development. So the severe weather will continue to be a factor ongoing. So I will update you as soon as I get more. So we'll see you then. Thank you.